Next rule is errors in pronoun. If two singular pronouns or nouns singular are joined by and refer to the same person or thing, the main verb or helping verb will be singular. So when two singular pronouns or nouns are joined by and, the helping verb or the main verb will be singular if they refer to the same thing or person. Example number 1. Both Mohan and Sohan. Mohan and Sohan are two singular nouns, are absent and both refer to the same thing. This sentence is wrong. The answer is both Mohan and Sohan is absent. Are will become is because both are singulars and refer to absent. Example number 2. Bread and butter are necessary for breakfast. There are two singular nouns, bread and butter, and both refer to breakfast. So here answer will be bread and butter is necessary for breakfast. Here are will become is because both bread and butter are referring the same thing, breakfast. Example number 3. Slow and steady win the race. Slow and steady are two pronouns and they refer to race. So here win is the verb and this win is plural. So if two pronouns refer to same thing, the verb should be singular. So here win will become wins. Slow and steady, two pronouns refer to race. So win will become wins. Sentence number 4. My friend and philosopher are dead. Here there are two pronouns we have, friend and philosopher. And here helping verb is are and both refer to dead. So the correct sentence is my friend and philosopher is dead. Are will become is. Sentence number 5. Time and tide wait for no man. Time and tide, two pronouns refer to man. So here wait is the verb, it will become waits. Time and tide waits for no man. Our second rule for errors in pronoun is when two subjects are joined by as well as, the verb or helping verb agrees with the first one. So whenever we connect two subjects with as well as, the helping verb or main verb agrees with the first one. Example number 1. He as well as friends. He is the first subject, friends second. Are absent. Here helping verb is are, but here he is singular. So here verb will agree with he. The answer will be he as well as friends is absent. Are will become is because the first subject is singular. Example number 2. The professors as well as principal was present in the meeting. Here the first subject is professors, second is principal, and the helping verb is was. Since the first subject is plural here, the helping verb should be plural. The correct answer is the professors as well as principal. Here was will become were because professors is plural here, so was will become were because we are connecting with as well as. Example number 3. The father as well as his sons have been invited. The father singular first subject, sons second, have plural. But according to the rule as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject. The correct answer is the father as well as his sons have will become has been invited due to father's first subject. Example number 4. The teacher as well as the students have come. The teacher is the first subject which is singular. Students second one which is plural. But according to rule as well as agrees with the first one. The teacher as well as the students have will become has. Have will become has. So this is the rule number 2 of pronoun. With as well as we always give preference to first subject and we use verb according to first subject if it is plural or singular. Our third and last rule in pronoun. In case of two nouns or pronouns are joined by not only but also, the verb or helping verb agrees with the second one. In as well as it agrees with the first one. In not only but also it agrees with the second one. Example number 1. Not only the teachers but also the student were ready to go. Now there are two subjects, teachers and student. In not only but also we give preference to second one. The second subject is singular but here helping verb is plural. The correct answer is not only the teachers but also the student was. Here verb will become was because the second subject is singular. Sentence number 2. Not only Rakesh but also his friends has been invited. There are two subjects, Rakesh and friends, and they are connected by not only but also. So this sentence is wrong because we give preference to second one, friends. So has is wrong here. The correct answer is not only Rakesh but also his friends have been invited. Has will become have because whenever we connect two subjects with not only but also, the verb or helping verb like was, where, was, have, has agrees with the second subject. So this is the final rule of pronoun.